Hey there, welcome back to our Cinema 4D tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fundamentals of navigation and basic controls in Cinema 4D. Whether you're new to the software or just need a refresher, this is the perfect starting point to get you up and running. So let's jump right in. Before we start creating amazing 3D content, it's important to familiarize ourselves with the Cinema 4D interface and the various tools at our disposal. Let's take a detailed look. First up, we have camera and viewport navigation. It's crucial to move around and explore your scene from different perspectives. To navigate the viewport, you can use various mouse gestures. Hold down the Alt key and left-click to rotate the view or orbit around the scene. Hold down the Alt key and right-click to pan the view, moving it left, right, up, or down. Additionally, you can use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out. These controls provide flexibility and allow you to examine your scene from different angles. Next, let's talk about object selection and manipulation. These are essential for working with objects and making adjustments. To select objects, you can simply click on them in the viewport. Alternatively, you can use the Object Manager to select objects from a hierarchical list. Once selected, you can manipulate objects using the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools. These tools can be accessed from the toolbar or by using shortcut keys. The Move tool allows you to reposition objects, the Rotate tool lets you rotate objects around a specific axis, and the Scale tool allows you to resize objects proportionally. Mastering these controls will give you precise control over your objects. Now, let's understand the hierarchy and how it affects our objects. In Cinema 4D, objects can be organized into a hierarchical structure. This hierarchy determines how objects relate to each other and how transformations affect them. To create a hierarchy, select an object and drag it onto another object. The second object becomes the parent, and the first object becomes its child. By creating parent-child relationships, you can control the position, rotation, and scale of multiple objects together. When you transform a parent object, the child objects inherit those transformations. The Object Manager provides a visual representation of the hierarchy and allows you to manage and organize objects efficiently. Did you know you can customize the interface according to your preferences? Let's check it out. Cinema 4D offers a high degree of interface customization, allowing you to personalize your workspace. You can rearrange panels by dragging and docking them to different locations. This flexibility enables you to create a layout that suits your workflow. You can also create custom layouts by saving specific panel arrangements. To do this, go to the Window menu and select Customization. From there, you can create, save, and load custom layouts. By customizing the interface, you can optimize your workflow and access frequently used tools more efficiently. And that's a wrap for this video on navigation and basic controls in Cinema 4D. We covered camera and viewport navigation, object selection and manipulation, working with the hierarchy, and interface customization. By mastering these fundamental skills, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning 3D content. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more Cinema 4D tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.